can do the video demonstration of my project pick and place of a robot. This is my pick and place robot, as you can see. Now this is the controller we are using, the Festo. The programming language used for this control is FST 4.1. These are my inputs. The inputs that I have used is start, stop and one emergency switch. You can see a handling unit. This is the handling unit, pressure handling unit, which is supplying pressure to the robot. I should say the movement of the robot is being pneumatically controlled. This module, you can see, this is the module which is configuring the input-output configuration. Now, the program for this robot is designed in such a way that when the start button is pressed, the robot moves to its home position, and you can see this is my disk, this is my pickup position. The task of the robot is to pick up the disk from the home position and drop it in the drop position. Also, during the cycle, when the stop button is pressed, the robot should complete one complete cycle and it stops at the home position. Also, there is an emergency switch which is programmed in such a way that whenever the emergency switch is pressed on, the robot should stop instantly. And when the reset button is set on, the robot should move back to its home position and complete that cycle. Now we can load the program. The pressure is given. This is the disk we are going to place. Start button is now pressed. The robot moves to its home position. Now we are going to place the disk in the pickup position, and the robot sends it, and the arm is coming to pick the disk. Now it's going to drop it in the drop position. This is the dropping position, and it moves back to the home position. Actually, this is the one complete cycle. Now, if you are again going to place this disk, and we are going to press the stop button. Now, what happens is, when the stop button is pressed, the robot stops instantly. Now it speaks. Now, when the stop button is pressed, actually this stop button acts as an emergency switch. Now you can see the robot stops. Now, when we are going to start the program again, the robot moves back to its home position and it completes that incomplete cycle which was being during the when we press the emergency button. Now we can see that it moves to the home position, and when a disk is detected, it completes that cycle. Now, one more task was given to the robot, that is, when a stop button is pressed, it should complete that cycle and it should not start the next cycle. See, this is the stop button I have given. We have already pressed a button and we have pressed the stop button. What happens is, the robot will not complete this cycle. So, the task given for the project is successfully completed, and thank you.